Well, hi everybody. Here we are at the Memorial Hall East building, and I've just come across what I think is a really cool find. We have a nice setup of O-gauge trains running here. I understand Mr. Gregg here, he's pretty high up in one of the clubs here. What can you tell me about what you have here, Mr. Gregg?
Well, we've got the O-gauge here, run three trains at one time. We have a yard set up in here with switches to go in and out. Most prevalent question is how long does it take to set up, and generally it's we set up in about 3 days. All of this measures about 75 feet by about 50 feet. So
wow. Yes.
Everything the modules all get put in trailers, and the scenery gets put in boxes, and away we go. We have 2 trailers to put everything in.
So Mr. Gregg, I'm just looking around here. I see it's going all the way around. How many linear feet of each track do you have here?
Well, each section measures 4 feet long and 3 feet wide. And you figure right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 straights right here before we hit a curve.
So that's 40 feet right here plus the ends.
Yep. And then we have a big inner curve there. It goes on over and out around.
Yeah, you got to be pushing 200 feet here.
Yeah.
Times 3.
Yep. I guess about 12 years ago or so, we started out with a few of us in our church. We wanted to find out, we all like trains, what can we do? And somebody brought a magazine along. We all met for breakfast one morning, brought an O-gauge magazine along. It had this modular train group, and they had the specifications and everything for it. So we built it just the way they did each of the modules, so we could actually match up with somebody else that would have followed that.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, everything seems to be running pretty smooth. I've been here for about 15 minutes. I haven't seen anybody stop yet, so.
We're okay until little hands get on them.
Yeah.
But that's part of it. They're curious, you know.
Yeah. I see you have some nice interactive features, different places like buttons on the outside, turn the water wheel and such.
Yes, we do. Yes.
So that makes it nice for the kids.
Yes.
Speaking of which, I see a couple over there looking to see the train come out of the tunnel now. They're mesmerized. This is what really has to keep you guys going.
Oh yeah.
When you see that.
And when you have little buttons, there's a button right where you're standing. If you push that button out there, the propeller runs on this airplane right here.
Oh wow, look at that.
There's little things like that throughout the layout, and when they do it, there you go, yeah. See it brings it right in. Yep, there's buttons up there to make the train go up and down and everything, yeah.
Look, ice cream.
Impressive.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for putting this on for everyone to enjoy.
Well, we enjoy it. And we also have an HO display right over there.
Yeah, I saw that.
So if you want to go over and talk to them, you can, for the HO guys.
Yeah, I went over there. I made the idiotic mistake of thinking that was N-gauge after looking at yours.
Yeah.
But yeah, very nice.
It's old Gargraves Flex track in here.
Oh wow, yeah, it's beautiful.
Works out very nice for us.
All right, well, thanks for sharing some time, Greg, Mr. Gregg, and good luck with everything in the future.
Thank you. Thank you for talking to us.
All right, take care. Put this on YouTube, right? I can put this on YouTube.
Oh, absolutely.
cool, isn't it? Big circus tent. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Levi, looks like your Lego. Look at this. Levi, it looks like your Lego.
I think there was between 8 or 10 guys here.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a real good turnout for putting everything together. Now we'll start tearing it down on Sunday evening, and we'll get all the scenes off and everything before we leave.
Yeah, the lights are flickering in through there.
Okay, there it goes.
Right where some of the connectors are.
You might have to do this.
Wherever it's slowing up, then you gotta get that